Yummy, yummy. Oh, broccoli. I love you. You wet chicken. You chicken. I love you. Can I have a kiss? Oh, God, no. Got some water. There you go. Got some fresh water. You like it? Boom, oh, do. You what do you? Because I love you. I love you, right? It's hot. Ooh. Ooh. It's hot here. It's hot. I'm fine, girl. I love you. You want bath? Shower in it. What that shower? You mean pumpkin? Pumpkin. Woo woo. Right. You want to work? Back to work. Lots of vodka. Gomez, your pumpkin? Pumpkin? Hello. I love you. What is? What's pizza? Pumpkin? Ooh, it's hot in here. Ooh. Hello, girlfriend. You a chicken. You a kiss. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. What do you think? All right, you're one. Here's hot. What's a parrot? What's vodka? Pearl. I mean, look, I want some water. I want to bring that up. You want some owl? I got tea. Hold on. Hold on. Girls. What's the parrot? Vodka. Vodka. Hey, big camera. Pearl. Pearl. Shower cheese. You want some water? You want some fresh water? There you go. Look. Look at some vodka. Yummy. Oh, broccoli. What's lunch? Apple. You pumpkin. I love you. You got your banana? Pearl. You can have a kiss. Can I kiss? Uh-oh. Your coin's not butter. You're fine. Right now. Creature bird. When you hang around, I'm a king bio. You good girl. Son, chicken. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Woo, woo, woo. You ready to go home? You ready to go home? All right, come on then. Alexa. Alexa. More.
That was a bath one. Try asking me for a wet fart. Or say random. Try asking me for a wet fart. Or say random.